Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you Ticketmaster app not working, so how you can fix it, right? So first of all, you have to make sure that you are using the latest version to use this app, and you have to update the app, right? And if you're using an iOS, then you can use the App Store to update this app, and if you're using an Android, then you have to use the Play Store, right? And just search on the type bar Ticketmaster and it will show you updated version of that, right? So make sure that you use the updated version, and this may fix the problem. But if it doesn't, then you have to do one thing. You have to click and hold and go to the app info. You can go from the settings too, and after that you have to go to the storage usage, and after that you have to clear all the cache. And after clearing all the cache, this may fix a problem, but if it doesn't, then you have to clear all the data. And after clearing all the data, this may fix each and every issue which you are facing right now in this app, right? So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.